What is up, guys? It's Mr. Tech Guy here, back with another video on what is dropshipping. So this video is pretty much just explaining what dropshipping is. And so yeah, this is a pretty simple, easy concept. So basically, you are like the middleman to the shop and the customer. So you go and you get the shop's products and you buy them and you sell them to the customer for more price. And there are three main things to do in dropshipping. The first thing you gotta get is your product. You gotta buy it from the store and you gotta make sure it's a good product that people want, not a boring one. Next is your website. You wanna make sure that you have a good website, appealing website, makes people wanna buy it. Informational. And your third thing you want to have is marketing, making sure people know about your website, know about your product, so they'll be able to buy it. And this is pretty much the triangle method. So a customer places an order with you for whatever your product is, in this case, a hat. They give you, in this case, 3 times what you're paying the shop for the product. That is what you usually want when doing a sell. You want to get 3 times the profit for what you're spending, because that's a good margin, because you have to spend money on other things like ads or unexpected expenses and stuff like that. So they're giving you $30, you're paying 10 for the hat, and the hat is going straight to them. So you're not really the middleman, but you kind of are in the money terms. An example of a website is this water bottle. Just one I looked up, and you can see that it specializes in these water bottles. They probably found them somewhere else, like on a Facebook ad or just scrolling. They just put them on this website. I doubt they cost $45. I bet they're buying them for like $12 or something. All this nice information, pictures, like a little snack compartment, and you can see that this is a great website. Probably gets a lot of sales. So yeah, that is super simple. It's a super short video. You got all the information needed. Make sure to like and subscribe. And if you want to learn how to start dropshipping, I made another tutorial, so you can go check that one out. But yeah, see you guys in the next one.